Okay, today we're going to take a look at another interesting little Zippo, and it is going to go into my yellow collection. And I got the little timer running so I don't go over an hour this time. So let's take a look at this Zippo. It arrived in the normal black box, but it has been relabeled, and it says Zippo Custom Lighter LAU, that is short for laughing, and tattoo regular neon yellow, and it's new. Looks like the same underneath. It doesn't want to make a bigger sticker on it, I guess. There's the normal Zippo black box, and there is the yellow laughing tattoo clown, and it is on a neon yellow painted case. It's only one-sided, and this was made, it looks like, in C or March of 17. Really good stampings on this, nice and clean. Made in Bradford, PA, in the USA. Good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. It's a pretty good clown face. So let's drop this clown on his head and see if he stays lit. Okay, so the clown face stayed lit. That's a pretty good one. So I'm going to put that into my yellow collection somewhere, among a few really good ones. The Bruce Lee, the Gadsden flag, or the Gadsden snake. And one of the rarest Zippos you'll probably ever see is the Red John Zippo. There's only, I think there's less than a half a dozen of those in existence. And there's a couple more yellow Zippos. So definitely need some cowbell for the laughing clown. Knuckle-bump.